I'm about to reveal why Monday's trading range is so important and why you should be paying attention to these levels. By the end of this video, you will gain an understanding of how these levels can help you with your trades and your bias of where the market is going. Welcome to Trading Intel, where we help you become a more profitable trader. First, let's define what the Monday range is. This refers to the price movements that occur during the first day of the trading week. Mondays can often be volatile as traders react to any news or events that occurred over the weekend. Because this strategy involves waiting for Monday's daily candle to close, you should not be taking any trades on Monday, and when it does close, you want to mark out Monday's high and low of the daily candle. On Tuesday, set alerts at these levels because this range is known as the initial balance of the week. If we have a bullish week, the price will break Monday's high and it will stay above this level. Conversely, if we have a bearish week, it will break Monday's low and it will stay below. Therefore, if you are a breakout trader, then you should be paying close attention to these two levels. Now let's talk about some strategies for trading the Monday range. The first strategy is the breakout strategy, where price either breaks Monday's high or Monday's low. For example, if price has broken Monday's high, you would want to take a long trade. However, you do not want to be chasing the breakout when it happens. Instead, you want to wait for the retest of Monday's high, which will be your entry point. The same would be if price has broken Monday's low. You would want to be taking a short trade and entering at Monday's low. If the price starts closing candles back into Monday's range, then as a breakout trader, you should be cutting your losses as price is showing you that it cannot hold value outside of Monday's range. And most likely the breakout was a fake out to induce breakout traders to enter in the wrong direction. This in turn will form a deviation of Monday's range, and you should now be switching your buyers and targeting the other side of Monday's range. The other strategy when it comes to trading the Monday range is trading the range. This is where you are bullish around the low of Monday and bearish around the high of Monday, and your targets should be the other side of Monday's range. This strategy is very profitable when the week is not trending to either side and we are just getting sideways price action. This strategy allows you to scalp the markets even though price is consolidating. Now with these two strategies, the most important aspects to be paying attention to when you are trading is the reaction at these levels. One of two things can happen. Number one, deviations of Monday's high or low and back into the range. Or number two, retests of Monday's high or low for the continuation trade. Now that you have a better understanding of Monday's range, it is vital to not just use this strategy by itself. You want to use this in conjunction with other technical analysis concepts and other strategies to give you more confluence and therefore increase the probabilities of a successful trade. Another important technical analysis concept is the pivot point, which I will be covering in my next video. So subscribe now to make sure you get notified. Hopefully you found this video useful, and I'll see you next time.